If you've been to a museum recently, maybe you've seen one of these. It's a cassette. It stores information magnetically on that tape. The cassette goes into the tape player. And as that magnetic ribbon or tape passes across the pickup head, the magnetic signal is transformed back to sound. I'm going to play some music out of my phone. As soon as I plug in the headphone jack, it cuts off the music. But you can see my headphone jack isn't connected to a normal headphone. It's connected to this nail. That's an ordinary nail I picked up off the floor of my garage, and the wire is wrapped around it and soldered together. I'm going to hold that nail over the pickup head on my cassette player and play my music from my cell phone through the nail into the pickup head on the cassette player and out that speaker you see right there. Let's listen.